This video we are going to show you how to remove the amplifier from a VW Passat 2012. The amplifier is located under the driver's seat. To remove it, basically you just have to push the seat backward all the way, and there is a black cover right close to the foot. You just pop this one out, you just slide it forward, it pops out, and there are two 10mm bolts. Just loosen those bolts and get them out. The bolts are already loose, and then you can slide the amplifier out. And here you go. And then to get this plug out, you just push the clip inward and then rotate the clip to the side, and then you can remove the amplifier. And if you by the way, the fuse for the amplifier is located under the hood. It's not in the inside the interior. So if you need any repair for this amplifier, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.